Ever felt like you're juggling flaming chainsaws while trying to plan your week? You've got deadlines looming, tasks piling up, and a to-do list that looks more like a novel. You're searching for that magic bullet, that digital wizard that'll bring order to the chaos. Maybe you've heard whispers, maybe even seen it in action, Trello. But here's the burning question. Is Trello really a scheduling tool? Think about it. We've all seen those colorful boards, those drag-and-drop cards. It looks like a schedule, feels like a schedule. But is it? Or is it something else entirely? Something more, or perhaps something less? Let's rewind for a second. We're living in a world of digital abundance. We've got calendars, project management software, dedicated scheduling apps, even note-taking tools that try to sneak in scheduling features. So, why does the question of Trello's scheduling capabilities even matter? Because time is our most precious resource. We're all trying to squeeze the most out of every minute, every hour, every day. And if Trello can help us do that, well, that's something worth exploring, right? Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is Trello? At its core, Trello is a visual collaboration tool. It's built on the Kanban system, a method that emphasizes visual workflow and task management. You've got your boards, your lists, and your cards. Think of it like a digital whiteboard where you can organize anything from your grocery list to a complex software development project. You can create lists for different stages of a project, like to do, doing, and done. You can then create cards for individual tasks and move them between lists as they progress. Each card can hold a wealth of information. Descriptions, checklists, due dates, attachments, and even comments. So where does the scheduling aspect come in? Well, Trello does have due dates. You can assign due dates to your cards, and they'll appear on a calendar view. That's a pretty strong indicator that it can be used for scheduling, right? But here's the catch. Trello scheduling is more about task deadlines than it is about time blocking or detailed calendar management. Think of it as a way to keep track of when things need to be finished, not necessarily when you'll be working on them. Let's break it down further. Imagine you're planning a marketing campaign. You can create a Trello board with lists for each stage of the campaign: planning, content creation, promotion, and analysis. You can then create cards for each task, like write blog post, design social media graphics, and schedule email campaign. You can assign due dates to each of these cards, ensuring that everything gets done on time. You can even use the calendar view to see all your upcoming deadlines at a glance. But Trello won't automatically schedule time in your day to work on these tasks. It won't block out an hour for writing that blog post or 2 hours for designing those graphics. That's where the distinction lies. Trello is fantastic for managing task deadlines and visualizing your workflow. It's a powerful tool for project management and collaboration. But it's not a full-fledged scheduling tool in the traditional sense. It doesn't replace your calendar or your time-blocking app. So what does this mean for you? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're looking for a tool to manage project deadlines and keep track of tasks, Trello is an excellent choice. If you need a tool to schedule your day hour by hour, you might need to supplement Trello with a dedicated calendar app. Let's dig into some practical examples. How can you leverage Trello's features to enhance your scheduling? First, use the due dates. Be specific and realistic. Don't just set a due date for next week. Set a specific date and time. This will help you stay on track and avoid last-minute rushes. Second, use the calendar view. It gives you a bird's-eye view of your upcoming deadlines. You can see which days are busiest and prioritize your tasks accordingly. Third, use checklists within your cards. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This will make them less daunting and help you stay organized. Fourth, use labels. You can use labels to categorize your tasks and prioritize them. For example, you could use labels like urgent, important, and low priority. Fifth, integrate Trello with other tools. Trello integrates with a wide range of apps, including Google Calendar, Slack, and Dropbox. This allows you to streamline your workflow and keep all your information in one place. Sixth, use power-ups. Trello power-ups are like add-ons that extend the functionality of Trello. There are power-ups for calendar integration, time tracking, and even automation. Explore the power-ups available and find ones that suit your needs. 7th, create templates. If you find yourself using the same Trello board structure repeatedly, create a template. This will save you time and ensure consistency. 8th, use custom fields. Custom fields allow you to add additional information to your cards. For example, you could add a custom field for estimated time to track how long tasks are taking. 9th, collaborate with others. Trello is a powerful tool for collaboration. Invite your team members to your boards and work together on projects. 10th, regularly review and update your boards. Take some time each week to review your boards, update your tasks, and prioritize your deadlines. This will help you stay on top of things and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Now, let's address some common misconceptions. Some people think that Trello is only for project management. That's not true. Trello can be used for a wide range of purposes, from personal task management to event planning. Another misconception is that Trello is too simple. Some people think that it lacks the advanced features of other project management tools. While Trello may not have all the bells and whistles of some other tools, its simplicity is one of its greatest strengths. It's easy to learn and use, and it's flexible enough to adapt to a variety of workflows. So, to definitively answer the question, is Trello a scheduling tool? Yes and no. It's a tool that supports scheduling through its due dates and calendar view. But it's not a dedicated scheduling tool in the same way that Google Calendar or Calendly is. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.